Bro, we are getting some fanciness up in here. Do you guys see what this is? That is a second GoPro. Now, I will say, I never edited anything with 2 GoPros. So this should be pretty interesting because now I have to, okay, let's tone this down. Now what I gotta do is talk to you guys as well as my first person point of view. I'm sorry that the GoPro's a little crooked on that one. I don't know what's going on with the mount. This is a suction mount. I thought it would like kind of tilt a little bit, but obviously it didn't work like that. Here we are back in the good old Boobaroo, and unfortunately your boy needs gas. I did not realize I was that low on gas, but that is quite unfortunate. Hopefully we can make a little bit of a video before I have to make it to the gas station. But yeah, the Subaru is back and it's fixed. It's actually fixed. I mentioned it before, obviously the Subaru has been in the shop for a lot of things recently, but the most important thing was it needed to get tuned, and that's why we're making this video today, because oh boy, did it get tuned. Baby! I am not saying that this thing is making stupid power, okay? All I did was change the exhaust, I changed the downpipe, and then the thing just needed tuned just to keep the numbers in check, if you will. So the car's making, I think, around 300. I'm not too sure, but we'll wait till these pedestrians just pass till we get a little ripskis right here. Maybe a little ripskis. First person ripski. Go. Little half throttle. Yes, sir. Ooh, It originally had a stage 2 clutch in it, which never really made sense to me because the car just didn't make enough power, so it's just like, why even have it? But it was a stage 2 in it, and it was giving me issues as locking me out, or I couldn't get out of gears. So we ended up just changing back to an OEM clutch. It's much lighter, it's just more drivability, better drivability, I don't know. But yeah, the car is feeling absolutely phenomenal right now. And healthy, car's running great. The steering wheel's a little crooked, but I think I need an alignment, which I'll get it at some point. But yeah, I am very happy that the car is finally back. It seems like all the issues are sorted out for now. Obviously, everyone who owns a Subaru, something pops up at some point. Seems like it's been down for a long time. Obviously, you guys haven't seen it for a while, and like I said, I apologize for that. A lot of other stuff has been going on, which I'm just not going to go into, but the car is back. It feels great, like I said, and it seems like we fixed all the issues. All the tiny little issues that were going on with it are fixed until obviously the next problem arises, but I'm enjoying the moment right now. For once, the Subaru is running well. I'm hoping this old slope, oh, I spoke a little too soon. Get out of my way, sir. I got to be cautious because, like, I'm running out of gas a little too quick, and I don't like that. I probably have a good couple miles left. Do have to talk about the Toyota though. The plans for the Toyota, it's probably not going to happen anytime soon, not gonna lie, because the plans are pretty darn expensive. But I do plan on building the Toyota VIP style, if that gives you guys kind of a hint as to what we're going to be doing with the car. But here we go. Ooh, baby. Yes, sir. Bring that around town. Oh, yeah. Nice smooth shift into 6th. Over across the bridge. Splash. Something's rubbing. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I think my tire is hitting the wheel well, fender well. Plastics in my wheel well. Something's dragging, because I am hearing some rotational noises that need to be addressed. One thing I did notice about this car is 4th and 5th really just are the same gear. There is such little difference between the 2 gears that it's actually a joke. And floor it over the bridge. Boom, 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 boom. Brake. Oh, there you can hear it. If you can't hear it, hear that, you're deaf. saying about the Toyota before I got distracted, I do want to build it. I want to put some aftermarket goodies on it, but they are going to be heck expensive. Like, I'm talking like pretty darn expensive for my taste, I should say. I think the car just needs it. I think the car just needs it. The channel needs like a good VIP build, and I think the Toyota is the perfect candidate to make that happen. So we're probably just going to do wheels and maybe air suspension or a system. It has air suspension on it, but I'm talking, I want to be on the ground. I want to be VIP yacht style on the ground driving. Obviously, obviously you got to be a little bared up because you don't want to scrape everything. Really, that would be the plans for the Toyota. Whether or not that happens with bills and like finances and all that, I still got to be smart. I don't know, but it's more like 75 it will, 25 it won't. It just depends on what bills kind of pop up over the course of the next year. Wheels and an air system are going to be for the Toyota. That is on the list. That's on the checklist. I put it on the whiteboard. I put it out there, and now we just got to execute. I haven't filmed a video in quite some time. I mean, probably like 3 weeks since the last video. So I'm not used to talking this much continuously and fluently. So I do apologize if the video is kind of choppy or my mindset's all over the place, because I just can't keep a thought, just straight thought. Other unfortunate news, I am quickly running out of gas. So this video is probably not as long as I'd like it to be. I'd like to do a longer POV run, but I did not adequately prepare for said scenario. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to end the video there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Obviously, if you did, make sure you leave it a thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next upload.